Also, somebody was asking that I can do 10 quant questions, but the remaining questions are a struggle. You have to solve more questions from other topics. When it comes to what should be the order, priority order, first go to arithmetic, solve a lot of questions from arithmetic. Arithmetic gives you a strong foundation of questions because 5 to 7 questions are there from arithmetic. If you get at least 5 in the bank from that, you have a solid start. Then you have to do well in either algebra or geometry. If you're targeting 99.9 percentile plus, you have to do well in both. But if you're targeting only like say 97, 98 percentile, you have to do well in at least one of those two. Then you have to do well in one of number systems, modern maths. I would recommend doing, if you have done algebra, do logarithms plus number systems. That would be a very good combination. Similarly, if you have done geometry, make sure that you are very good at geometry. If you are doing PNC, if you have an intuitive understanding of PNC, do well in that and solve a lot of questions. Particularly with PNC, you can get very good with practice because PNC, if you get that intuitive sense, right, after like 100, 200 questions, you can get an intuitive sense of how to approach this question. Then they become very, very fast. If you don't have that intuitive sense, it is difficult. If you have an intuitive sense, it becomes like you can solve it under 1 minute, which gives you more time for the other question.